The A17 Bionic chip in the iPhone 16 will not be the same as the anticipated A17 Bionic chip in the iPhone 15 Pro. Apple is likely to release the 15 and 15 Pro models later this year, with numerous design and internal upgrades. The basic models will be outfitted with this year's A16 Bionic chip, while the 15 Pro models will be outfitted with the enhanced A17 Bionic chip built using TSMC's 3M process. We anticipate significant performance and efficiency increases with the 3nm A17 Bionic chip, but new rumors suggest that Apple may deploy new N3E processes next year to keep costs under control. The A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14 Pro models is now based on a foreign process developed by TSMC. In comparison to the 14 Pro models, the A17 Bionic will provide higher performance and battery life due to 3nm manufacture. Nevertheless, only the 15 Pro and Ultra smartphones are expected to receive the updated hardware. Apple has built differentiators between the regular and Pro models, and processors are among them. A new mobile post from a Weibo user. According to chip experts, the A17 Bionic chip in this year's iPhone 15 Pro models will be based on the TSMC N3B processes. TSMC's 3nm node for Apple is the N3B, whereas the rest of the clients utilize the N3E. In comparison to the N3B process, the N3E process features reduced UV layers and comparatively fewer transistors. And while the A17 Bionic chip will be less efficient than the N3B version of the chip, it will bring enhanced performance capabilities. This opens the door to another issue if the iPhone's battery life suffers. According to rumors, the 15 Pro models will house a speedier version of the A17 Bionic chip, while next year's iPhone models will be built on the less efficient version based on TSMC's N3E architecture. So the N3E version of the chip could be destined for next year's standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus models. If the 15 Bionic chip in the 14 and 14 Plus is a higher bin variant with one additional GPU core than the A15 used in the 13 and 13 mini. So some cross-generational differences, despite outwardly featuring the same chip, would not be unheard of. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.